can see,
Me no
we are doing backyard. Julie, tap it nice now. We are going to show the next sister too. Right now we are doing next backyard cooking. So we are getting stove. We are getting stove, put some more coal in there. So we are showing what we are doing. So the backyard cooking here, a Sunny Hill best again. See? So big up Sunny Hill best cook right through. Well, alright now people. See it there? Look. See this? Coconut milk. Alright. Milk. Yeah, I say that we do it. Check it out. Put down the coconut milk. More peas, it's a peas. Red peas. So big up Sunny Hill Best Cook. Remember, you know, like, share and subscribe. To get the backyard Sunny Hill Best Cook. Alright? You throw the peas in the coconut milk. Exactly that's all. See it now people looking at it. Come here and see that. Come here. Look at that. You know what this? This is pig's tail. So now you cut up so fine, I don't want the rest of them misunderstanding. This is a pig's tail. So you throw a pig's tail in the coconut milk with the peas. See it there? See it there? Come in, Jolene.
Well, security.
Come in. Alright now people, come on that side there. See, with me I cook pig's tail, rice and peas, pig's tail. No, if you go in there, everything what we have to cook this. Come here, go teach if you cook. But you need an grow. Very right. Alright. Anyway people, see me next sister here. Me like sister. Now watch your height, you know. About 40-year-old. I don't do half that. Tell them, big up Sunny Hill Best Cook. You can say that? Big up, watch me, anything I'm saying.
Big up Sunny Hill Best Cook.
Right. Remember to like, share and subscribe.
Remember to like, share and subscribe.
You understand me? So the next one I couldn't say subscribe, I sister this.
That's why I don't want to eat.
Watch it in the background. Watch it in the background.
You're wrong and never tell me what.
Really?
You not cook yet.
The peas and you cook first.
No man, everything took one time.
People in can't cook and the peas have to cook first with the pig's tail. Then they put in a coconut milk. You know see how you idiot?
I mean chop your head in the
What they teach you? Come on, mama teach you if you cook.
No, mama teach me. Mama, all them cook first time they couldn't work out.
The peas are tough. And the meat are cook quick.
No man. Let me measure them already, the tape measure, so we know the distance to the end of one another. Alright, go and big up on yourself people. Remember, like, share and subscribe. Big up Sunny Hill Best Cook. It's a backyard. Alright? Alright now my people. As you can see. Wow. On up. Yeah man. My sister comes, me teach him to cook a pear man in the fish pan.
You got to suck yourself.
Well, I tell you what, I don't know in time so. Tell me about my mother. Eh? Eh? You come me competition with the backyard cooking. And say like, share and subscribe. And you know, come say. See you now people. Just simmer down. I never seen this cooking here yet. All in one, just simmer right down. So listen now. Look out for that one here. First you ever see that one here. Stew peas with rice and peas. Me no never see this one here. This one here a home electric. That one here seller. So you have to like, share and subscribe if you want this stew peas with the rice and peas. All in one. And when you hear about all-in-one, that means that it's a party are done. So like, share and subscribe to Sunil Best Cook again and Ghetto Girl aka Wayne you be backyard Sunil Best Cook say that. Gone we gone in man. So the king said shot. Now my people as you can see, back to the backyard cooking again. Thing a simmer down. Yeah man, it come to perfection. Buy the phone drop in the iPad. Alright. Season up my thing here now. Don't know it already. Remember that people like, share, and subscribe. So see the real thing. I'm telling you about that one in here. Onion here. Alright, onion this to use. Good for all type of something. Footache, backache, headache, prostate, hernia, everything is good for. I think when you cook, you just put one little piece in it. But you put one big piece now. So people, remember, Sunil Best Cook. Like, share, and subscribe. Wait! Never remember saying hot man. Never remember. So. Season it up, keep cook down with the coconut juice. So it'll go and simmer right down now, people. So look here now. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. Sunil Backyard Best Cook. So it thing set. What me say? Best cook, no less cook. Yes, my beautiful people. As you can see, this is the finished product. Rice and peas and pigtail. Everything cooking at one. Taste delicious. I'll tell you what, here we talk, you see the coconut, they look at 2 coconut they use in it. So you serve this with some tomato and a cup of ice water. The more you can drink water, the better feel. Okay? So me tell us that this delicious tastes so nice. You want you to try the menu here. It's fella. Okay? So remember, Sunil Backyard Best Cook. Like, share, and subscribe. And go and big up Sunil. Same way. And people, remember, Mix Up JA. Tune in to Mix Up JA. Some more backyard cooking and move the same way. Okay? So, big up yourself.